Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna nje ukureacta nge-festival le kaMthandeni summer experience le yenzeka le eMdletsweni bingumhla ka-3. So bengayi-attendanga but ngiyawabona ama-pictures, ngiyawabona ama-performance abantu ade beperforma khona. I think indlela ekhavwe ngayo ibisezingeni eliphezulu because yakhona ama-pictures bebekhona ozozo like even ama-interview. So I think lento eyenziwa uMthandeni kubantu baseMdletsweni le into enkulu kakhulu because umcimbi wakho uyindumo ezulu lakhe bengibona nje ama-marquee ama-stretch tent akhona into eyenzeke emakhaya. I think abantu bangakubo bomkhohlwa ngempela sebefile wabona ngoba into enkulu abenzele yona and kuzobenefit abantu abaningi abangakubo like abantu abosomabhizinisi, abantu abanama-B&B, ama-guest house, abantu abanama-tavern, abantu abaney'ndawo zobumnandi because i-country yonke umhla ka-3 January isuke ibhekele eMdletsweni. So I think ibe impumelelo kakhulu yadise and yabona isikhona improvement because biqale 2 years ago. So lede beyenza kulonyaka bekuyisithathu and ayizinga beliphezulu. So nje bengithi nje asimvumo SK ngeke uyibambile and into engithanda kakhulu le event yakhe ayifocusanga kakhulu kumaskandi. Akhona amanye ama-artists like ade bookiwe angenza umaskandi abafana nabo Jumbo nabo Duncan. So ihlanganisa wonke umuntu and I think indlela ekhula ngayo ngempela idinga ethole yonke isupport efunekala kuma-sponsors nje la khumkhulu amaskandi vele qhamu nje ne-event eyenza emakhaya. Mina ngangekho sure isaqala ngangithi mhlawumbe into e-once off mhlawumbe ubeyenza nje because wekade benonyaka omuhle but lakho-ke lokho iphindelele yenze and abantu abaningi ba-attend and le event yenzeka ngoJanuwari. Abantu basuke bengenamali abantu abaningi but abantu bayawilling ukuthi besuke ey'ndaweni abahlala kuzona beMdletsweni ngomhla ka-3 January. So I think into enkulu leyo ukuthi yenziwe i-artist lamaskandi-ke nje yikona okuyisimanga kakhulu. So siwu-Speaker Nawe ngesimdlela umona sifuna ukumvuma nje umfo wamanqela inkulu kakhulu lento akayenzile and I think abantu bangakubo ibona abantu abazobhenefitha kakhulu because bengibona even nama-prize ama-tickets akhona like umcimbi omkhulu nje ukuthi uzongena ngemali ephansi kanje. I think nje ubenzele ufefe ngempela abantu bangakubo laphana. So nje bengithi nje asemvume lapha SK event yakhe from ama-pictures esiwabukayo ibiyimpumelelo kakhulu-ke. Akhona ngike ngabona kuthiwa uMahu ngathi akapicture phanga but uMahu ngiyakhumbula bekaba neskandal ade se-Sun City ethi ushayela imoto yakhe amabhuni and stuff. So ngathi yena angafikanga but abantu abaningi ade bebhukiwe baphumelelile bafika. So nje bekithi nje asilivume iqhawe laphana. Linzima ngempela, linamandla ngempela iqhawe laphana malikwazi ukuphula abantu abaningi kanje balithenga kubo bezobona umcimbi wangakubo wasemakhaya besuke emadolobheni. I think into enkulu kakhulu. So Speaker Nawe sithi no well done SK. Anyway sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok Speaker Nawe. We out.